right, friends, now that we've listened to this great text, The Amazing Life Cycle of a Frog, it's time to think and talk about some of the questions that we heard, some of the questions about what we heard in that text. So these are text evidence questions that we're going to be answering. So it's important that we look back into the text to see what the text has to say. On page 20, turn to page 20 in that text, The Amazing Life Cycle of a Frog. Why do you think the frog laid eggs in the water? What does the text say about that? Page 22. Why did the tadpole need to grow lungs and legs? What does the text say about that? And then page 23. What do you think the froglet will do after it becomes an adult? What does the author tell us on 23 about what a froglet will do after it becomes an adult? You can respond by answering here on the page. You can do that by changing from the present mode that we're currently in to the edit mode by clicking on the hammer and the paintbrush. You'll see that the background will change. And then you can use these tools over here on the toolbar. You can use the text box feature, where you open up a text box and then type your answers. You could also use the pencil feature, pen or pencil feature, where you can write your answer. Just be sure when you're finished that you click on the cloud. That's going to save any changes that were made. Notice how it tells me that my presentation was saved. Be sure to save your work. Can't wait to read your answers to these text-dependent questions. Good job, guys.